So, welcome to part 3, and in part 3, we will look into functions. And functions play a very important role for any class or anything like that. So, think of functions as a API to be accessed, from outside world. So, I have my code here, contract dummy. So I will have a variable, that is string variable, and let's say from outer world I want to change this variable value and store it in a blockchain. So the way I can do is I will first create a get method to get this value, right? So the way I do is I use the function keyword, then name of the function, then I would give the access identifier. So public means it could be accessed from outside. If I give private, then you won't be able to call this method out of anywhere out of this contract, right? So if I had some other contract or maybe some other file, I won't be able to call this method. So I will use public, and then I will use view, right? So view means that in Solidity, that inside this function we are not going to modify any value. That's what view means. View means like it's this method is only used for read only purpose, right? So that's why they use view. And then we use returns. Obviously we need to return, and then we give string, that is the type of variable that we want to return, memory. So memory, this has been added as a new, I think from Solidity point 5. We need to use memory also as another, you can say, keyword. So this method basically will return the value, right? So this is the get method, and similarly we can have a set method that would change the value. Now in the set method, obviously I would need to pass something, like I can pass it as string value, like with which value I want to change the current local variable. So, and I give public because I want to access it from outside, and then here I can just say value is equal to underscore value, right? I won't be using view or returns because view is, as I said, it's only for read only purposes, and we are changing the value here. So it's not going to be view. And returns, obviously we are not returning anything. So that's what, how we write a basic function in Solidity, right? Stay tuned for my next part, and if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram. Thanks for the support.